Alright, today I'll be playing some Risk of Rain 2. Pretty good game, as you probably know. I'm going to die so much. I don't know if I'm gonna play with any artifacts, but I'll play on monsoon. Oh, I can already feel pain. Alright, let's get into the hellhole that is Risk of Rain 2 on monsoon. Oh, this map. It's not the worst map. Not the biggest fan either. Oh, the soundtrack for Risk of Rain 2 is so good. I'm hoping it's not copyrighted. If it is, I'm going to be sad because then that means I won't be able to record the soundtrack of it. Will make me sad. Time to go buy some items, I have some money. Honestly, not the biggest fan of this item I just got. I mean, mobility's nice, but it's like just a quick burst. Oh, that shit. Well, guess this run is just giving everything that is not just bad. I mean, these are bad. Except for that one. That one is actually just bad. I don't think I've ever had a time where I didn't just absolutely hate bad. It's useless. It goes you once. Honestly, if I can get more stacks of that movement speed item, would be nice. I want to go ahead and advance the stage, but like I don't really have anything that's gonna help me deal with the boss. Especially on monsoon.
Nice.
Okay, that's more reasonable. Like, it's not great. There's definitely, like, healing items I like a bit more, but that's probably best I'm going to get right now. Oh, this map. I'm honestly happy that it's not the swamp map. Also, sorry for not talking much. I was more focused on killing the boss. Forgot that I might want to talk. But I like this map more than the swamp map. I think they fixed it to where I don't think I can glitch my way in to the area to get those 2 green items. I don't think I'm going to get the rings, because I don't think I can glitch my way in. Even if I was, which I'm not even fast enough, I think they just fixed that. But in general. Honestly, I'd like to get some damage.
Foreshadowing is a narrative device in which suggestions or warnings about events to come are dropped or planted.
Items like damage would also be nice. But like, this build's interesting. Sorry, I forgot to put my phone on. Ooh, I do something. Ooh, that freaking swarm. Some engine cells to be able to get more use of the reduce item. Reduce the cooldown of it a little bit. So I'll that more. I don't think I'm going to use any void items. I might. Void items are fun. They're not necessarily. They're like, some of them are a bit more pain in the ass than I would like to use, though. Like, the Void Fiend character, he's kind of fun to play with. I haven't really played much of him. I would like to try to play the Railgunner more. I'm just not really good at it. Oh, the exact same one. Cool. Don't need to perish. I do not need fire element wisps flying around. Wisps used to be my least favorite enemy. And now there's those like manta ray dudes. Oh, I hate them. I hate them so much. It used to be wisps just because they spawn so much, and they have like their fire rate, like the little lasers are sometimes hard to dodge, especially when there's like a good 20 of them just floating above you. It gets annoying. Ooh, some damage. Alright, I guess I'll get 2 of those. This one's blocked off. Yes, it is. This item's also kind of shit. I don't like, yeah, like, dealing more damage is nice. I don't really like any of the items that I like when you go to low health. Because then they're just kind of like useless pieces of shit if that happens. Which does happen. It's just, I can see how they have their uses. They're a fun, interesting item, but I don't like them. I'd rather pick like some other. I'd honestly rather Chrono Bobble. Chrono Bobble's kinda, well, no, they got a bit better after with a couple items. Ooh, nice. Both of those items are awesome. See, now that I'm starting to stack the movement speed one, it's gotten a lot better. Which you can never like count on stacking things. Like you're bound to get an item more than one, but like you can never like truly count on it. What's this right there? Mocha's. If I can find a recycler, I'll hit that twice. Yeah, I don't think I'll be able to do it. I also think they made it to where engineer can't also push down the pressure plates anymore either, can you? Is there really no recyclers now on? Oh look, a void item. I was saying I wasn't going to get one, but it's right there. Let me just... Ooh. other one too. Oh shit. Oh shit. I mean, yeah, sticky bombs aren't necessarily the best, but they're right now like some of the only DPS I have. Oh, that just hurts. That just hurts my feelings. At this rate, might as well. Yeah, honestly, I probably should have looked for a cycler harder, but like, I'm trying. I gotta go. It ain't that serious. Really, is the only white item left the roll of pennies? Honestly, should I place the roll of pennies? All of these soldier syringes and the Legion seed is kind of nice. It'd be nice if I could make a stack of Legion seed though. So I'll just do 2 for every hit instead of just 1. What are some just like different healing items that would also be kind of nice? Probably one of my least favorites of the, time to get going. Oh, cool, this map. Yeah, I mean, this map's interesting. Like, there's the, special chest you can unlock if you get here within 10 minutes, which is a really big gun. I forget exactly what it's called. Get one cool, I'll take it, but I'm not going to hate these things. I hate them. Ooh, hit it. I hate them, I hate them, I hate them, I hate them. I hate them so much. Oh, I hate them so much. Oh god, I hate them so much. Perish. Die. Perish. Look at how I'm not doing any damage. Ooh. Please don't shoot me. Please, no, don't shoot me. Ooh. Ooh. Oh no.
I'm the giant rat that makes all of the rules.
Alright, well. That's me. That's me, coach. Alrighty. So, I don't know if I want to play... For this recording, I might only play one run. See what everyone's feedback is about it. And then, get back to y'all. But, if y'all would like for me to just, like, play, like, a handful of runs and record it all and then, like, try to condense the video down to, like, funny moments, I could try that, but, I think just one run at a time, and then me working with that, and then, posting it is what I'm going to do for right now. Definitely let me know in the comments what I should do in the future, though. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.